Hey there, nail art lovers! Want stunning nails without visiting the salon? In this video, I'll show you 10 easy nail art designs you can do right at home. Grab your nail polish and let's get started. First up, polka dot nails. Simply apply a base color and use a bobby pin or toothpick to add cute dots. Mix and match colors for a fun look. Next, want a gradient effect? Try ombre nails. Apply 2 colors on a sponge and dab onto your nails. Instant salon effect at home. Now, use striping tape or regular tape to make striped nails. Paint over it and peel the tape for crisp lines. So chic and stylish. If you love sparkle, go for glitter accent nails. Paint all nails a solid color and add glitter on 1 or 2 for a glamorous touch. For something really unique, try water marble nails by swirling nail polish in water and dipping your nails in. It creates a cool, one-of-a-kind pattern every time. How about a French tip with a twist? Instead of white tips, experiment with bright colors for a modern French tip. A trendy update to a classic look. You can also create easy floral nails by using dots to form flower petals.